Hi, hi Aquarius. Welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love bite now. Let's see what's happening in your love life now, Aquarius. What are the messages that you need to hear now, and any guidance, if any. Aquarius, these are general collective readings. Will not resonate with all of you out there. Take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. Let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life now. Thank you. So, Aquarius, we're going to start with our angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you, how they are going to bless this reading with a guidance, blessing, advice, or a message for you, and then we'll begin. Stress management popped out even before I finished shuffling. So, what's happening, Aquarius? I think it's time, my angels are saying, to take some measures to handle your stress. Go for a walk, do some yoga, meet some friends, play some music, do something to take care of your stress levels at this point. So, why you're stressed out? Let me see. Let me open your cards and check this out. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being such a support to the channel. I'm very grateful. And if you're new here, Aquarius, we welcome you too. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Okay. So newbies, this is just a small little 9-card spread to check your energy. I've already put your March readings on, and more are coming. So I'll leave a few links at the end of the video. You can check those in case you're interested. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Aquarius, my email is also there in the description box and the about section of the channel. You can contact me on my email. Knight of Cups, all right. So there is some kind of apology or love offer you are expecting, or maybe it's coming towards you. Let's see. First card here is the Two of Pentacles, King of Wands, the Star, Nine of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, the Death card, the Moon, Five of Pentacles, and the Queen of Swords. So somebody is going back and forth about a relationship decision. Somebody does want to take action. They know who their wish fulfillment is, but I do see somebody keeping some secrets, or maybe being very emotionally overwhelmed because somebody is either single or wants to be single, and there's a lot of anger and distrust and always feeling left out in the cold. I want to check, let's take some dialogue message cards, Aquarius, first to get the ball rolling here, then we clarify these cards. So Aquarius and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now. Aquarius and their person. Let's take a few more from here. Aquarius and their person spirit. And let's take a few more from here. So Aquarius, we're good to go. Let's start with our first message. It says, "You are my muse. If only you knew how much you have inspired me. Darling, you're my masterpiece. I wish I could let go of fear to tell you and show you how much you mean to me." Second card says, "I know you think you broke me, but don't give yourself so much credit. I'm not porcelain. I might have a few cracks, but I let the light in and I'll allow it to shine back into the world. Don't worry about fixing me so much as you should worry about fixing yourself." Like I said, there is a bit of animosity, trouble happening here, even though I do see a masculine here who really is wanting to take action and wanting to seem in control. Next card says, it hurts me that you continue to choose others over me. What do they have that I don't? Or is it that you don't feel worthy of a real connection? I only want two things in my life: everything that makes you happy and nothing that makes you suffer. I love you always and forever. Big polarity going on in the emotions of two people here. I'm silent due to going through the dark night of the soul. I feel like an emotional roller coaster and I don't have the strength to communicate with you right now. I hunger for your touch, your kiss, and the warmth of your body. I want you and I need you now. I feel so much passion for you. I can see that. One person is wanting all that love and warmth and affection, and they actually do have feelings for their person. They want to be the person who's looked up at, who wants to take control and take charge of things, have that passion, heal things between the two of you. But there is a bit of back and forth going on because I have a feminine energy who doesn't trust, or maybe is not in the right frame of mind right now, is feeling rather angry and upset. Now, what's made them feel that way, we'll figure out when we clarify the cards. I don't expect you to wait for me, but I hope you understand. I need time. It hurts me to say we should go our separate ways. That's what I was feeling. Even though I saw all this passion, the Star card, the King of Pentacles, after that it kind of changes the tune somewhere. Let's clarify these cards. No wonder the stress management card came out as well. I think I have a feminine energy who's feeling a bit stressed out here. Two of Pentacles, Spirit. There is somebody here who's really wanting to take action. My God, this King of Wands, whoever this person is. Why is the Two of Pentacles here then? They don't know how to? Oh my God. Okay, so there is a King of Wands here who really wants to take action. They want to take charge. They want to rush towards their person. They love their person. But I think something has gone wrong between the two of you, Aquarius, right now. Ten of Cups, the happily ever after, emotional satisfaction. That card is upside down. And I have somebody really worried about this because even though they know that their partner is their sunshine, they do want to take action, they don't know what to say or how to say it right now, or how to make that move towards their partner. King of Wands. King of Wands. Yes, they're looking at their future. This King of Wands is worried about their future. They're looking out into the horizon and saying, hey, what about my future plans? This is my forever person. This is the person I really love. This is the person I want to grow old with. This is the person who I have a lot of passion for. This is my wish fulfillment. But right now there is some kind of emotional imbalance going on in your connection here, Aquarius. And that's why that feeling of how do I do it? Should I do it? Maybe you guys are not even talking to each other, keeping secrets from each other, not being open and honest with each other, which is bringing this little passion feeling down, if you know what I mean. So Star card, Spirit. Star card. Yes, somebody is holding back here. Somebody is holding back from the connection. This is a strong connection. This is a strong soulmate connection. Maybe it was beautiful at one point. This was a dream come true, but it's over time, I think, become a bit imbalanced. And I have somebody here now holding back, even though one person still has hopes of a future, but feeling that emotional they feel their partners become emotionally a bit distant from them and withdrawing and holding back. Nine of Pentacles, Spirit. Again, the King of Wands. My God, this King of Wands is on fire today. It could be a fire sign. Yes, they they really want to take action. They really want to take act. This King of Wands is really wanting to take action towards this feminine, but still that back and forth energy is there as to how to, what to, how to rectify maybe a solution. What they actually want is a clean slate. They want to start again. They want to begin again. They want to just kind of have a re-beginning with this person, so that because they have a long-term vision. They want to be, they know that their partner's a bit angry and upset with them, but they want to now step up and show their person that they mean business. Yes, this person really wants to work with their partner in this partnership again. Even knowing that their partner is angry and upset, they are trying to think of ways and means as to how and what action to take to appease this Queen of Wands who's angry and upset. They really do want to work with their person. Death card, Spirit? Yes, they want to end this fight. If you guys have been stressing or angry or emotionally distant from each other, this masculine really, really, really is fired up. They are now seeing you, this feminine, as their forever person, and they really want to heal any emotional damage that has been done. They don't want this to end. In fact, they want it to transform now. But they feel that if I go to my person now, whatever I will say to my person now, it will be considered false promises. Maybe in the past they never kept their promises, and that's the reason this feminine has kind of lost trust, is trying to go her own way, trying to separate from this masculine. But that's the reason of this back and forth energy. What can I do? What can I say? How can I bring this cup of love and romance my person again? Because each and every thought that comes to my mind that I'll go say this or that, I feel they're going to reject me immediately. Okay, so this person is going through a lot of stress as well. They're going through a lot of stress and anxiety and sleepless nights, thinking about the long-term potential of this relationship, which could be in jeopardy at the moment. Okay, so the moon card, Spirit, for Aquarius. What's this moon card? This person is very emotional at the moment. They are hoping, wishing, praying for something to happen where they don't have to be at crossroads. They want some kind of a decision to be made, and hopefully a decision which will heal these broken hearts. Very, very emotionally overwhelmed, feeling a bit left out and abandoned and feeling neglected, wanting desperately now to come out of this stuck position, and feeling the loss of. Yes, they feel their partners walked away. They feel their partners walked away, and this commitment, which could have been or was, is now upside down. The Justice card is upside down. They feel this is not the right thing that's happened. This commitment is breaking down. My partner's walking away. I don't want this to happen. I don't want to be in a stuck position now. I want to get out of this. This person is feeling very, very sad. This person is feeling very stressed out, feeling like homeless basically without their partner. Why is the Queen of Swords this angry, Spirit? Why is she in reverse? What happened here? Two cards are suggesting that the feminine energy is very upset and angry at the moment. Okay. Something happened here, Aquarius. Maybe the masculine, when the time was right, didn't put in any work, or they were too busy working on their own stuff. They never gave time to this feminine. The tower was falling, and maybe they never even noticed it. A lot of time went by. They they turned their back to the fact that the feminine was not happy, that the relationship was slowly crumbling behind them, but they had their head down. They had their head down and focusing on their own stuff while things were breaking down in this connection. Maybe this person was a bit is or was a bit immature. They never took responsibility in the past for their actions. Maybe they were rash, they were childish, they didn't behave the way they want to behave now. Now they know that they have to either come, correct, like the King of Pentacles and the King of Wands energy. But now I think the tower has already fallen. This relationship has already reached its limit, according to this feminine. That there is nothing to be gained here anymore, and I'm that upset and that angry with you. I'm not even sure whether I want to be in a commitment with you anymore. So, anything else, Spirit? Of course, we will go in depth in our next reading. Yes, the moon is here. Lot of it. It's a very emotional time. That's all I can say right now. But I don't think this masculine has yet given up on this feminine. I think they're still trying to spy on, the correct time to approach their feminine. They see their feminine in a very, very, very good light. Okay, they see their feminine as the empress. They want this empress for abundance, growth, and their future. And now that this empress has left and they is angry with them, they are kind of wondering how to go back and fix things. But I don't think they have it in them right now they don't know what to say. They feel they'll be rejected anyway, but it's not that they've kind of stopped looking. They are still keeping a strong watch. They're still spying on this empress to see when will be the right time or the right opportunity when they can go and kind of restart things with them. Okay, that's all I have for you right now, Aquarius. Till Tuesday then. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.